Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to disinfect your phone. This could save your life since things you touch might be the ones to make you infected in your day-to-day life, because you can place them anywhere, wherever you feel like. Remember to wash your hands. Make sure you're always safe. Make what we call social distancing as it is right now in Uganda, and remember to stay quarantined. As you can see right now, I'm quarantined. There is no movement, no leaving home, so that is why I'm going to show you how to disinfect your phone. Let's first enjoy this footage to appreciate nature. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed the footage. So let's begin the process. I have my disinfectant here. This is it. I purchased it some week ago, and this is my wipe that I'm going to be using, a clean wipe. It is a soft tissue wipe, and this is my specimen here. This is the Galaxy S7. Recently, Samsung released the guidelines of how to clean your phone. I read about it, so I'm going to disinfect my phone right now. So I'm going to take off this phone case first. So this is the phone right here. As we are aware, the virus survives for metal surfaces, glasses, plastics, and even clothes. So this is the phone right here. I'm going to begin with the phone, then I finish with the case. So let me splash some disinfectant here to make it at least kind of wet. So I can see it's coming almost wet. Remember not to make it very wet that the liquid can fall all over you. So let me begin disinfecting my phone. So this is it. Then after, you have to clean it till it's no longer wet. So I'm done disinfecting my phone. Let me also disinfect the phone too, the phone case. Sorry. Change the side here. This is where I touch almost every day. There are a lot of cards here. So phone case is also finished to be disinfected. Disinfecting my phone, so I have to disinfect my hands too. Alright, Guys, the video is done. So I'm done disinfecting my phone and my hands too. This is becoming my hobby these days. Wherever you go, you have to wash your hands. Subscribe if you didn't already. Make sure you hit the bell button to get notified for the upcoming videos. Peace.